Want that I don't need it.
Nani, what's your name? How old are you?
Devin, you ask her.
How old are you?
I don't know why we're not.
2?
Ask her what her name is.
What's your name?
Oh, now I get why we're nodding.
Okay, that's enough nodding.
Okay.
Her hair's so damn curly. Peppa, be careful! Are you okay?
Be careful, Dad.
Don't hurt your back, boy.
I know.
She's gonna fall again.
Gorilla.
It's just a football, man. It's not you.
I know. Me too.
You do? Yeah?
Me too.
What's your name? What's your name?
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
I don't think so. I don't think
When did she start this
When you
game?
were over there,
Since he got here.
when you were over there, I went like this, and she did like this.
Since he got here.
Since she got here?
She's been mocking him.
Devin, say something.
Elephants?
Damn, Granny!
Okay, everyone, make sure you get one of these handouts.
Okay.
You have to fill it with historical facts. It's worth 30% of your grade. Alex?
Okay, say bye, Goofies. Say bye, Goofies. Say bye.
Say bye.
Say see you later. Nani.
Devin, say it.
Go like this.
People will just know.
Nani, blow kiss.
Devin, say see you later.
See you later.
See you later.